Want to add an HTML signature with a picture and link and be very professional? Then first log into your Yahoo account on your browser, then click on the More option at the bottom left corner. Go to Settings. Under Writing an Email Settings, scroll a little bit and enable the toggle for Signature. Now in the Signature field, paste the HTML signature. You can create your own signature. Use Google Docs to create your own signature or use the below format, change your details and picture, and then directly paste it into the signature field in your Yahoo Mail account. To make from scratch, first take a one-by-one table under the Insert and Table tabs. Now insert the image in the first column. From the Insert menu, choose Image and Upload from Computer. Then resize the image to the correct size and align it to make it more professional. That's it. In the second column, add the details like your name, position, contacts, and email, as you can see in my example. Now change the table border color to white to hide the border. Select Border and choose White color from top toolbar. Repeat the same steps to make all borders white, excluding the center line. Once the signature is ready, copy it and paste it in your Yahoo account to Signature Settings. That's it. As you can see, the preview is showing on the right side. Try composing a new email and check the signature preview. That's it. Hope you get the tips to add a signature in Yahoo Mail with a clickable link and picture. If you found this helpful, comment down below for any problem.